Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're a Buick owner and you've been greeted by that dreaded check engine light, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into a code that's pretty specific to Buicks, P0014, which stands for exhaust camshaft timing over advanced. It sounds complicated, but don't worry, we're going to break it all down in simple terms. We'll cover what this code means, what causes it, the symptoms you might notice, and most importantly, how to fix it without just throwing parts at the problem. So, grab a coffee, get comfortable, and let's get your Buick running smoothly again. First things first, what is your car even trying to tell you with a P0014 code? This code is specifically related to your engine's variable valve, timing, or VVT system. Think of it like your engine's ability to breathe more efficiently at different speeds. The P0014 code means the engine's computer, the ECM, has detected that the camshaft controlling your exhaust valves is advanced more than it should be. In simple terms, the timing of when your exhaust valves open and close is off. This can mess with your engine's performance, fuel economy, and emissions. It's the ECM's way of saying, hey, something's not right with the exhaust timing, and we need to check it out. So, what are the common culprits behind a P0014 code on your Buick? The number one cause, by far, is an issue with your engine oil. That's right, simple oil problems. This could be low oil level, dirty, or old oil, or using the wrong viscosity of oil for your engine. The VVT system is hydraulically operated by engine oil pressure. So, if the oil isn't right, the system can't work correctly. Another very common cause is a faulty camshaft position actuator solenoid. This little guy is what directs oil flow to adjust the camshaft timing. If it gets clogged with sludge or fails electronically, it can get stuck in the advanced position. Less common, but still possible, are issues like a stretched timing chain or a problem with the camshaft phaser itself. Now, let's talk about symptoms. How would you even know you have this problem, besides the check engine light? The most common symptom is a rough idle. Your car might shake or vibrate more than usual when you're stopped at a light. You might also notice poor engine performance. The car feels sluggish, hesitates when you accelerate, or just doesn't have the get-up-and-go it used to. Another big one is a decrease in fuel economy. If you're suddenly making more trips to the gas station, this could be why. In some cases, you might even experience stalling, especially at low speeds or when coming to a stop. These symptoms can range from barely noticeable to seriously annoying, so it's best to address them sooner rather than later. Alright, let's get to the good part. How do we fix it? Before you run out and buy expensive parts, always start with the basics. The very first thing you should do is check your engine oil. Is the level correct? When was the last time you had an oil change? Is it the right type of oil specified in your owner's manual? If the oil is low, dirty, or the wrong kind, correcting that might just solve the problem. An oil and filter change is the cheapest and the easiest first step. If that doesn't work, the next logical step is to inspect and likely replace the exhaust camshaft position actuator solenoid. It's a relatively inexpensive part and often the root cause. You can try cleaning it first, but replacement is usually the better long-term solution. If the problem still persists after these steps, then it's time to look at more complex issues like the timing chain or phaser, which might require a professional mechanic. So, to recap, if you see a P0014 code on your Buick, don't panic. Check your oil, first level, condition, and type. If your oil is good, the next likely suspect is the exhaust camshaft position actuator solenoid. By following this logical diagnostic path, you can save yourself a lot of time, money, and frustration. I hope this guide helps you get that check engine light turned off and your car back to running its best. If you found this video helpful, do me a huge favor and hit that like button. Subscribe for more DIY car repair tips, and drop a comment below if you've ever dealt with this code yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.